Welcome to the first episode of This Is Hobart, and probably the last. Today we look at the Aurora Australis and the arrival of the iceberg Nuyina back into Hobart. This morning Tasmanians awoke to the news that once again most of them had missed a significant show by the Southern Lights, or Aurora Australis. At approximately 5 a.m, the Glendale app pinged, informing people that an extreme aurora event was happening across all of Tasmania and southern parts of Victoria. For the 4 people who got out of their beds, the skies were ablaze with colour. For Hobartians who were late risers on this faux 4-day long weekend, the other sight to observe today was the arrival of Australia's icebreaker, the Nuyina, back to its home port. The Nuyina arrived in Hobart in 2021 to replace the previous icebreaker, the Aurora Australis, which was retired in 2019. The Nuyina undertook one Antarctic season, resupplying Australia's Antarctic and sub-Antarctic bases, as well as undertaking research in the Southern Ocean. The Nuyina, however, has spent the last 7 months in Singapore undertaking scheduled maintenance and repairs. It was exciting to see her arrive back into its home port this morning of Hobart.